Well, say goodbye to traffic jams and hello to your personal sky ride. I'm Kurt the Cyber Guy. Follow me at cyberguy.com where my newsletter is free. Welcome to Whoosh, the revolutionary autonomous transport pod system set to transform city travel in 2026. Picture sleek pods gliding effortlessly above traffic, switching between cables and rails with ease. These aren't your typical gondolas. They are smart autonomous vehicles that navigate a complex network, taking you directly from point A to point B without any stops. Whoosh combines the best of ride sharing and public transport. Just like an Uber, you book the pod through an app, then hop in at a nearby station and enjoy a personalized journey with your preferred temperature, lighting, and music. With an average speed of 25 miles an hour and no traffic to contend with, Whoosh promises to be faster than driving in congested areas. It's also incredibly efficient, using less energy than a 10-minute shower for a standard ride. How did they calculate that? The system is modular and easy to expand, making it a cost-effective solution for growing cities. At just $8 million per mile, it is a fraction of the cost of building out traditional infrastructure. Whoosh isn't just about moving people, it can move cargo too, offering businesses a seamless way to transport goods across the network. Whoosh, a faster, cleaner, and more enjoyable way to travel in the future? More crazy cool tech like this at cyberguy.com. If you're not already getting my newsletter, it's easy. Open a new browser, go to cyberguy.com and click the red button.